What's going on, guys? Infidel here at ITA. Gonna take a look at one of our shooter's setups here, his loadout, whatever you want to call it. Start with his gun here. It's a BCM 16-inch MIDI, LMT Defender 2000 complete lower. We'll go over here and show you some of the mods he's done. See here, he's got the LMT factory stock. Added a couple of weights to help balance the gun out. Not really sure what they are. Moving up, he's got a BCM flat dark earth mod 1 rear grip. Moving up here, you can see the LMT ambi safety. He's removed the right side of it. Got a, lock the bolt back. Got a BCM mod 4 medium latch charging handle. Magpul M-Bus Gen 2 rear sight. Aim point Comp M3 with the rubber bump cover in a LaRue mount. Quick throw lever. Moving on up, he's got a Magpul mid-length handguard, excuse me. Scout Light 600C Scout Light. It is the hammer forged barrel, the BCM hammer forged upper. Not sure the sling, M-Dom, I believe it is. Kind of reminds you of the Blue Force gear sling. We'll go ahead and move his gun out of the way. This is plate carrier. It's a tactical Taylor quick release, as you can see here. Does have plates and backers, soft armor backers in it. It was ACU digital, and he dyed it. Not sure the dye, can't remember. Triple M4 mag pouch. Got a radio pouch here. I think they're both Blackhawk. And just kind of a utility pouch on the side here. Not really sure the brand of it either. Does have side plates. Moving on to his belt. I think it's the like a newer style GI battle belt. Not sure the brand of the, just a triple mag pistol shingle. M4 speed reload pouch. Mechanics gloves. IFAC Safari Land 6004 with the Beretta, as you can see there. And he has modded it, took out the top strap, just runs the bottom so it can ride high up on his thigh like it should be. That's it, guys. Just want to show you a quick little rundown of his loadout and his gun. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please rate, sub, and comment, and we will catch you on the next one.